I made strawberry hot sauce recently and it was pure fire. But today we're making hot sauce's sweeter cousin, fermented hot honey. You're gonna need honey. I've got some incredible raw honey here. Grab your chili of choice, remove the stalks and chop it up nice and small, but don't worry about being neat. Then finally slice some red onion, peel and slice some garlic cloves, and pick some fresh thyme leaves. Place the chilies, onion, garlic and thyme into a jar and cover with that gorgeous liquid gold. You can leave the honey to settle if you want, or if you're as impatient as me, you can just stir everything together. Once everything is mixed and honey coated, cover everything with more honey as needed, then leave to ferment for at least 2 weeks. This isn't a quick process. I guess we'll come back when it's ready. Like and follow for part 2. I'm kidding. It's been 2 weeks and I don't want to wait anymore. You should smell this thing. It's like pizza and honey had a baby. You can see the chilies and the garlic are soft. The honey is light and runny. You can see the difference to the raw stuff. And that's it. Fermented hot honey, ready to enjoy however you wish. And I wish for it to be all over this fried chicken sandwich right now. Get those chilies and garlic involved too, because they are insanely good and not to be missed. Drizzle that honey, eat them chilies, and don't forget to like and follow.